Hi my friend, I am Ghafir and welcome to my new video. Our journey continues with Go Diego Go opposites. These wonderful and beautiful opposites are present to us by our wonderful friend Diego. And today we have a summary of the opposite Go Diego Go, Diego's Wolf Pup Rescue. It is the 18th opposite of the first season. In this opposite, Diego, Alicia and Dora help Mommy Mindworld to find her baby. Let's help them. Let's start. The event of the 18th opposite began with Diego and Dora sliding in the slide. Diego saying, "We are animal rescue." Dora saying, "Rescatamos animales." Diego and Dora race to the ground and start introducing themselves. Diego saying, "Hola, I'm Diego, and this is my cousin." Dora saying, "Dora, hola." Diego saying, "Dora visiting Animal Rescue Center and I've got a special surprise for her." Dora say, "I love surprise, Primo." Diego look at us and say, "You want to know the surprise?" "Yes, Diego." Dora say, "What is it, Diego?" Diego say, "Watch this." Diego start calling louder, "Come on out, Aruf, Aruf." At this moment, a 4 baby wolf appear. Diego say, "Look, named wolf pups." Say, "Hi wolf pups, hi wolf pups." The wolf pups start running and say, "Aruf, Aruf," and go to Diego and Dora and start playing. When they play, Alicia and Big Wolf come to them. Alicia say, "Hi Diego, hi Dora." The wolf pups around the big wolf and start to call, "Mommy, mommy, Aruf, Aruf, mommy, mommy." Diego say, "Mommy Maid Wolf come to the rescue center to have her wolf pups." Diego sit in her knees and say, "How's my Maid Wolf doing?" Alicia say, "She's doing great." Diego say, "Mommy Maid Wolf, this is my cousin Dora." Mommy Maid Wolf say, "Hi, nice to meet you." Dora say, "Your little wolf pups are so cute and are so many of them." Alicia say, "A Maid Wolf can have 5 pups in time." Dora say, "Let's count Maid Wolf pups. Count with me. 1, Aruf. 2, Aruf. 3, Aruf. 4, Aruf." Dora say, "4 Maid Wolf pups." Mommy Maid Wolf say, "Only 4 Maid Wolf pups? But I have 5 pups. Oh no, my little pups is missing and it's time for feeding. You must be hungry." Diego, Alicia and Dora go to Mommy Maid Wolf. Diego say, "Don't worry, Mommy Maid Wolf. We are animal rescue. We'll find your baby Maid Wolf." Diego look at us and say, "Will you help us find baby Maid Wolf?" "Yes, Diego." Diego say, "Great." Alicia say, "Diego, I'll help Mommy Maid Wolf and her wolf pups and chicken with you later." Diego say, "Okay, Alicia." Diego and Dora clap each other and say, "Arrescate, come on," and start running. Alicia say, "Go animal rescue, go." Diego and Dora go to the science step and stand beside the camera click. Diego say, "Our special camera click can help us find the baby Maid Wolf." Say click. Camera click appear and start singing. Say click. Take a pic. Say click. Take a pic. So I click la camera, I can't take a pic. I can see under the animal trouble. Zoom into the forest and down to say to find the animal, just call on me. Say click. Take a pic. Hi, I am click the camera. We need to find the baby Maid Wolf. Let's zoom through the forest and look for the baby Maid Wolf. Is this the baby Maid Wolf? No, that's a harpy eagle. Is this the Maid Wolf? No, that's a chinchilla. Is this the baby Maid Wolf? Yes. To take a picture of baby Maid Wolf, say click. Check. Got it. Now tell Diego you found the baby Maid Wolf. Diego asks, "What the animal did you find?" "A baby Maid Wolf." Diego say, "The Maid Wolf?" Dora say, "Look, it's the latest baby. We've got to find out where the baby Maid Wolf is." Diego say, "We can't do that if click zooms out." Say zoom. Camera click zoom in and the baby Mindwolf in the forest. Dora say, look, the baby Mindwolf is in the forest, apricot and toes. Jigo say, oh no, he's lost. Dora say, and he could hurt. We need to save the baby Mindwolf and bring him back to his mommy. Jigo say, we can work together to rescue him. Jigo call rescue pack and say, ready rescue pack? Rescue pack say, ready Diego. Dora call her backpack and say, Lesta mochila? Backpack say, Lesta Dora. Diego look at us and say, are you ready to go animal rescue? Yes Diego. Diego and Dora clap each other and say, Excelente. Come on, we've got to rescue the baby Mindwolf. Dora say, Vamonos. Diego say, let's go, and they start running and sliding from the edge and start singing the road song. Clap your hands with us. Clap, 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 clap. Great. And let's call for baby Mindwolf. Say, Aroof, Aroof. Go Diego, go. Vamos Dora, vamos. A rescate amigos to the rescue, my friend. A rescate amigos to the rescue, my friend. Go Diego, vamos Dora, vamos Diego, go Diego, vamos Dora, vamos Diego, vamos! Diego and Dora's journey to rescue began. When Diego and Dora fall to the ground, Diego say, let's go, and they start running. After a while, they stop. Diego say, look, three paths, and they all have footprint. Dora say, we need to follow the Mindwolf footprint. Diego say, what can we use to find more about animals? Field journal. Dora and Diego say, field journal. Diego say, I can use the field journal to figure out which one is Mindwolf footprint. Diego use the field journal and say, look, here is the Mindwolf footprint. And let's think like animal scientists. We have to find footprint that match this one. Diego go to the path with footprint and start match them with footprint Mindwolf. Diego say, do these footprints match the Mindwolf footprints? No. Diego say, no, this one don't match. Diego go to the other footprint and say, do these footprint match the Mindwolf footprint? No. Diego say, no, this one don't match either. Diego go to the last footprint and say, do these footprints match the Mindwolf footprint? Yes. Diego say, yes, this footprint just right the match. So this is the part with the Mindwolf footprint. Come on, we've got to rescue the baby Mindwolf. Diego and Dora start sliding and singing. Say animal, say rescue. Say animal, say rescue. Say animal, rescue. Rescatamos animales. Say animal, rescue. A rescate. When Diego and Dora singing hurrying a calling for Diego. Diego, Diego! Diego and Dora stop and start to run. After a while, they race to the Sammy the Sloth. Sammy the Sloth say, Diego, look, animal in trouble, and I am too slow to help him. The animal in trouble is the Pygmy Marmoset family. Dora say, the branch is broken. The Pygmy Marmoset start calling for help. Help us, help us. Diego say, we are animal rescue. We've got to save them. Come on. Diego and Dora use the vines and start sliding. At this moment, the branch broken, and the Pygmy Marmoset start falling in the river and shouted, Diego! Diego slide to the Pygmy Marmoset and say, reach up your hand to catch the Pygmy Marmoset. Catch them, catch them, catch them. Diego catch the Pygmy Marmoset and say, awesome. Now it's Dora's turn. Dora slide to the other Pygmy Marmoset and say, help me catch them. Catch them, catch them, catch them. Dora catch the Pygmy Marmoset. Diego and Dora save the Pygmy Marmoset. The Pygmy Marmoset come back together and say, thank you for saving me. Sammy the Sloth say, they are animal rescue. What do you do? Diego and Dora say, great working together. At this moment, Diego's video watch start beeping. Diego say, hey, that's my video watch. It must be Alicia. Alicia say, the baby main dwarf is getting really close to the door. He can get hurt. You've got to save him. Mommy main dwarf say, save him, save him. Jigo say, don't worry Alicia, we're on our way. Come on animal rescue, we've got to rescue the baby main dwarf. Dora say, let's go. Sammy the sloth say, go animal rescue, go. Jigo and Dora start running. After a while, I reach to the river. Jigo say, wow, that's a big river. Dora say, but which way the baby main dwarf go? Jigo take the spotting scope and say, we can use my spotting scope to look for my dwarf footprint. Put your hand in the air and make a spotting scope. Jigo use the spotting scope and say, do you see the main dwarf footprint? Yes, Diego. Dora say, there they are, we're down the river. Jigo say, we need to go down the river to follow those wolf print. Rescue Pack say, I can help. Pack say, you bien. Dora say, great, we can use the rescue pack and Pack together. Jigo say, to activate my rescue pack, say activate. Louder, activate. The rescue pack activate and start to sing her famous song. Yo, rescue pack! Oh, rescue pack! Coming to the rescue! Rescate! Rescue pack! Coming to the rescue! I am rescue pack! I got your pack! I can turn into a parachute or a kayak, a zip cord, a snowboard, whatever you need. We can do it, nothing to it. I am rescue pack! Coming to the rescue! Rescate! Rescue pack! Coming to the rescue! I am rescue pack! Yo, rescue pack here! Jigo and Dora need something we can use to ride down the river. Can I use go-kart to ride down the river? Nope. Can I use a raft to ride down the river? Yes! Now is Pack turn. Say Pack! Pack appear and start singing. Pack. I am the Pack loaded up with tanks and knick-knack too. Anything that you may need, I got inside for you. Pack, yeah! Let's see what else Zigo and Dora need. Do they need ice ski to load in the river? Oops, that's silly. Do they need paddles to load in the river? Yes! And don't miss a life jacket for Dora. Yum, delicioso! Jigo say, look, we got a raft. Dora say, and we got life jacket and paddles too. Jigo and Dora start rowing in the river. After a while, start hearing main dwarf pops. Ayoof! Dora say, that's the main dwarf calling for help. Jigo say, we've got to save him. Dora say, but it's so hard to paddle. We need your help. Will you help us paddle down in the river? Yes, Dora. Dora say, great. Put your hand front of you and pull down your pedal. Now pedal. When Jigo and Dora rowed in the river, start hearing a sound. Help me. Dora and Jigo stop. Dora say, look, the river otter is stuck in the whirlpool and his paw stuck in it. Jigo say, we've got to rescue him. Jigo take a life preserve and say, help me draw the life preserve to him. Put your hand over your head and draw it. Jigo drew the life preserve and catch the river otter. Jigo say, now grab the rope and pull. Jigo say, great pulling. Jigo and Dora pull the river otter and save him. Dora say, are you okay? River otter say, I am now. Thanks for rescuing me. Jigo say, we are animal rescue. It's what we do. Dora say, now we got to rescue the baby main dwarf. River otter say, go animal rescue, go. Jigo and Dora start rowing in the river and sing. Say animal, say rescue. Say animal, say rescue. Say animal rescue. Rescatamos animales. Say animal rescue. Rescate. After a while, Jigo and Dora across the river. Dora say, those a baby main dwarf plant. Jigo and Dora start following the main dwarf plant. After a while they stop. Diego say, and look, they lead to the breakers and thorns. At this moment, Diego and Dora still hearing a sound of baby Mendolph. Aloof, aloof. Diego say, he's in these bushes, and the sound is so scared. Dora say, we've got to get there fast, or baby Mendolph get hurt. Diego remember something and say, I know, we can run fast like Mendolph to get there quick. Dora say, we need your help. Help us run by singing the Spanish word, corre. Can you sing corre? Corre? Yes, Dora, I can sing. Diego and Dora start running and singing. Sing corre, 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 corre. Run as fast as you can. You've got to sing corre. Sing it again. Sing corre, 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 corre. Diego say, look, there is the baby Mendolph. Dora say, uh-oh, I don't see him. Diego say, we have to run faster. Stand up, come on, run with me. Run, run, run. Corre, 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 corre. Excelente. Diego say, are you really fast runner? Dora say, thanks for singing corre. Diego and Dora clap each other and say, good working together. Diego say, come on, let's rescue the baby Mendolph. Dora say, we made it to the breaks and thorns, but I don't see baby Mendolph. Diego say, and I don't hear him later. Diego remember something and say, hey, Mendolph have a big ears to help him hear very well. Dora say, let's see a Mendolph ears to listen. Tap your hand to your ears to listen for baby Mendolph. If you hear Mendolph, see Mendolph. Diego and Dora start hearing a sound. Aloof, aloof. Mendolph. Diego and Dora say, Mendolph. Dora say, let's call for baby Mendolph to tell him we're here. Say aloof, aloof. Baby Mendolph say, aloof, aloof. Diego say, hey, sound like he's right over this bushes. Dora say, I can't see him. Diego remember something and say, Mendolph's long legs make them taller. If they see over the tall grass, we've got to stand our long legs to see over these bushes. Dora say, stand up please, stand up please. Diego say, now stretch up higher and your long legs. Higher, higher, higher. Diego and Dora stretch up higher and saw the baby Mendolph. Diego say, there he is. Dora say, and he's headed for that sharp prickly bushes. Diego say, stop baby Mendolph. The baby Mendolph heard us and stopped. Dora say, he stopped. Diego say, good animal rescue, come on. Diego and Dora go to the baby Mendolph. Diego sit her nest in the ground and say, hello baby Mendolph. Dora sit either and say, hi there. The baby Mendolph sit in the ground and he's so cute. Dora say, he's so shy. Baby Mendolph say, I got lost. Diego say, we know baby Mendolph, but don't worry, you're safe now. Dora say, we're so happy we found you. The baby Mendolph hugged Dora and say, thanks for rescuing me. Now I really want to see my mommy and brothers and sisters. Diego say, let's call Alicia to tell her we found the baby Mendolph. Diego call Alicia and say, Alicia, we found the baby Mendolph. Alicia say, that's great Diego. Bring him back to the rescue center. Baby Mendolph say, I can't wait to see my mommy. After a while, Diego and Dora start running, and Diego start calling for Alicia. Alicia, Alicia! The baby Mendolph start calling for her mom. Aloof, aloof, mommy, mommy! The mommy Mendolph say, you found my little soft pup, and jumped to him. Mommy Mendolph hug her baby. The baby Mendolph say, mommy, I got lost, but then Diego and Dora found me. Mommy Mendolph say, I was worried about you baby, you must be hungry, it's time for your milk. The little pup start drinking the milk. The brother and sister around him, the little Mendolph say, I am so happy to pack together. Dora say, let's count all the Mendolph pups, count with me. 1, aloof, 2, aloof, 3, aloof, 4, aloof, 5, aloof, Dora say, 5 pups. Diego, Alicia, and Dora share, yay! A roof, a roof. Diego say, we risk the little baby mind wolf. Dora say, and now he's back to his mommy. Diego say, great work, animal rescue. And they all share, yay! And clap each other. A roof, a roof. And start singing the final song. Mission completa, rescue complete. You are a great animal rescuer. Thanks my friend for watching my video. See you soon. Bye bye.